The solar system is a vast and fascinating part of our universe, filled with diverse planets, moons, and other celestial bodies. This quiz will take you on a journey through the solar system, exploring interesting facts about each planet, from the scorching heat of Venus to the icy winds of Neptune. You'll discover the unique characteristics of planets, such as Saturn's rings and Jupiter's Great Red Spot. This quiz is a fun way to learn more about the planets and enhance your understanding of our cosmic neighborhood. Which planet is known as the Red Planet? Mars, Earth, Jupiter. Mars. What is the closest planet to the Sun? Venus, Mercury, Earth. Mercury. Which planet is known as the Blue Planet? Earth, Neptune, Venus. Earth. Which planet is the largest in the solar system? Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus. Jupiter. What planet is the second from the Sun? Earth, Venus, Mars. Venus. Which planet has the most moons? Saturn, Jupiter, Uranus. Jupiter. What is the smallest planet in the solar system? Mars, Pluto, Mercury. Mercury. Which planet has rings around it? Saturn, Mars, Neptune's. Saturn. What is the hottest planet in the solar system? Mercury, Venus, Mars. Venus. How many planets are there in the solar system? 8, 9, 7. 8. Which planet has the largest volcano in the solar system? Venus, Earth, Mars. Mars. Which planet has the shortest day? Jupiter, Earth, Mars. Jupiter. Which planet is the farthest from the Sun? Uranus, Neptune, Pluto. Neptune. What is the name of the natural satellite of Earth? Europa, Titan, Moon. Moon. Which planet is famous for its storm, the Great Red Spot? Saturn, Jupiter, Mars. Jupiter. What planet is known as Earth's twin? Venus, Mars, Mercury. Venus. What is the main gas in the Sun? Oxygen, helium, hydrogen. Hydrogen. Which planet has a tilt that causes extreme seasons? Mars, Uranus, Saturn. Uranus. What is the dwarf planet in our solar system? Mars, Pluto, Mercury. Pluto. How long does Earth take to orbit the Sun? 365 days. 24 hours. 30 days. 365 days. Which planet has the longest year? Neptune. Uranus. Jupiter. Neptune. Which planet is famous for its polar ice caps? Mars. Saturn. Earth. Mars. Which planet has the fastest winds? Uranus. Neptune. Jupiter. Neptune. What is the fifth planet from the Sun? Jupiter. Mars. Saturn. Jupiter. Which planet has the most similar size to Earth? Mars. Venus. Mercury. Venus. Which planet is known as the evening star? Mars. Mercury. Venus. Venus. Which planet spins the fastest? Jupiter. Earth. Saturn. Jupiter. Which planet is the coldest in the solar system? Pluto. Uranus. Neptune. Neptune. What is the name of the galaxy we live in? Andromeda. Milky Way. Whirlpool. Milky Way. Which planet's day is longer than its year? Mercury. Venus. Mars. Venus. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Thanks for watching.